Want to get rid of pests? With Hornet'Protect, say goodbye to insect problems in your silos, and you protect your production. My name is Dominique Mingam. We're based in Lamballe. We designed the Hornet'Protect system, a technical solution that allows you to secure your facility and prevent pests from entering your silos via the safety valve. It's a stainless steel cover divided into two parts. It fits around a safety valve. It's used on sugar silos. It is plugged directly over the valve, and it fits all existing safety valves on the market. Hornet'Protect installs in less than 10 minutes. Above all, it prevents our notorious bees, bumblebees, and Asian hornets from contaminating your foodstuffs. You'll avoid production losses, prevent contamination by pests. Hornets, wasps, and bees are attracted to sugar hornet. Protect is an effective solution at a very competitive price. Want to secure your storage? We have the solution. Simple and effective. Contact Syvrac. We'll be happy to help. See you soon.